So to enter data into Excel is very straightforward. You just click on the cell that you want, so it highlights with a little green box around it, and you can start typing. So I'm going to type in the title of the experiment that I'm going to record some results for here. Now when you've finished adding the data or information into a cell, all you'll do is press return on the keyboard to go down to the cell below. It's very good if you can get into the habit of using the keyboard to navigate your way around a spreadsheet. It's much quicker than constantly taking your hand off to move it to the mouse or the trackpad to select different cells. It's very easy. To move down cells, you press return. To move up cells, you hold down shift and press return and you move up. To move across, tab, and to move back across, shift and tab will take you back. Now the first data I'm going to record here is the distance from the lamp, so I'll just type that in. Press return. Let's put in the distance from the lamp. Now I can type in the numbers and press return like I'm doing there, or there is actually a quick way that Excel will automatically fill in data for you if there's a pattern. So I've started a pattern here. I'm obviously going up in tens. Excel will recognize that. So if I select the cells just by clicking and dragging over them, and then I hover over the bottom right hand corner, you'll see how the cursor changes to that black cross. And when I click and drag that down, it will continue that pattern automatically for me, which saves me typing them all in. Let go and it just fills in the data for you. So it's very, very useful. Now once data's been added, sometimes it's not in the correct format. Now here it's okay, these are numbers, that's what I wanted, they're in centimetres, but actually I measured it to not just the nearest centimetre, but the nearest tenth of a centimetre. So I'd like to change that and give it an extra decimal place. Now the way to do that is to select the data. Whenever in Excel, there's a saying select to affect. So I want to select that data to affect it. And I'm going to go up to this area at the top ribbon called number when I'm on my home tab. I'm on the home tab and I want to look at the number area. And here I can change the type of data that's in there. I want to tell Excel this is actually a number, not just general. And it's automatically given it 2 decimal places. And actually that's too many, but I can change the decimal places here by going up or down just by clicking these buttons here. So I can get to the data in the right format. Sometimes data, actually you want to show that it's currency data or a time or a date, and again if I click on here I get those options on this menu here. So I could change that and say actually I want this shown in pound signs. You'll notice that when I click on the cell up here in the bar, it's still 40. The data is the same. I haven't changed the data. I've just changed the format of how it looks in the cell.